It's the new normal, another wild and crazy day. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, March the 8th. And what a crazy day we have seen. We had the markets gap up big last night, collapse overnight, and suddenly have started to rally hard once again, with the exception of the NASDAQ, which was higher. It is now lower. It is all over the place. But overall, we're seeing the Dow up almost 400, the Russell almost 400, and the S&P up about 30, with the NASDAQ lower about 30 at the moment. Crazy action, and of course, we are now short everything but the Dow. Okay, so right now, not such a much happier overnight than we are at the moment. But hey, again, it is what it is as we look at markets. Again, that's why we don't get involved in the emotional day-to-day swings. The metals continue to be wild but negative. Okay, and of course now gold is down about $21 today again, and looks like 1600 is now in play. Silver is slightly higher, as is at platinum, which has been on both sides of unchanged. They continue to, vacillate, going back and forth between positive and negative positions. But overall, again, the metals do look bad, and we would be short across the board, except we no longer use platinum because of the lack of liquidity for our members. The bond market is lower, and of course, this is again the bond traders and the fixed income telling the Fed that they're ridiculous at what they're doing. In the meantime, we are short both, bonds and notes. Copper is under a little bit of pressure today, but actually, it has just reversed and is now turned higher. It was lower and it has now turned higher, but we are short copper. Nat gas is slightly lower, which makes sense based on, if you look at just from a weather standpoint. So no concerns there. We are still long at the moment. The dollar is higher, and of course we are long dollars as we had reversed. And you look at the bigger picture, okay, and again, it's really just been vacillating in between some levels. So again, we don't give it, again, during the day, we don't give things a lot of consideration, only because what it really tells us is that, there's a lot of emotional swings going on during the day, which is what we don't want to be involved in. The emotions of trading are very challenging, and that's why we choose to be mechanical, and all of our calls and signals are made after market close. In the meantime, in the grains, they've had another ridiculously wild day, which is a very good sign from the bullish standpoint where we sit, because we are long across the board. And what you want to remember is this is the kind of action you get ready when you're getting ready to make the next move, which we assume to be with the trend and continue to be higher. And so, corn and wheat are now lower after being much higher. Beans are still holding on to a small gain, but again, they were up much higher overnight. So it's things that we have to always be aware of. Now, the meats are mixed. Cattle is slightly higher. Hogs are slightly lower. We're short cattle and long hogs. And we take a look at the softs. Pretty much of a mixed bag. Cotton is higher. We're short. OJ is higher. We're short. Coffee, we reversed too short. It's slightly lower. Sugar, we are long, and it's down slightly. We're short sugar, and it is down. And cocoa, we are long, which is slightly higher. So in the meantime, again, it's a mixed bag, but it's a wild mixed bag. And, again, this is what we watch, the wildness during the day, and we make our adjustments based on the algorithm overnight. In the meantime, don't forget about our partners at Family Farms. Again, great company, great place to do business with. And again, it's our goal and our job to help educate our farming friends, because again, protecting their dough is the most important thing. And Also, our brokerage partners, and I do have other brokers, as I always give you the full disclosure, but our preferred for commodities and futures, the CTG group, they are the only ones authorized to do our letter of direction trading. In fact, they trade my accounts as well. And we had a couple of new trades this morning, which they took care of on time as usual. Okay, plus they've got some great managed futures products as well, but I do let them and have them handle my stuff for me because of the efficiency and the way that they operate. And of course, in equities and options, there's nothing like Tradier, $10 a month. What a deal. We've got their APIs. You have the ability, if you choose, totally up to you, to automate your portfolios, okay, through them, okay, and trade our signals based on automation, which is great if you want. It's up to you. There's no mandatory. It's part of your membership, okay, and of course, they're just terrific. So again, Trader, if you want information, either Trader or CTG, just email me at bub@bubbatrading.com. And of course, our commodity report written by Andy Hecht. I'm going to tell you this. You want to know more about it? We did a great webinar on Saturday. I'll be happy to send you the recording. Please email me at bub@bubbatrading.com, and I will send you a copy of the recording. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, March the 8th. We will see some of you tonight live on the call. And of course, have a wonderful good day. Be careful, be patient, and be ready to rock. Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you later.